In this video, I want to show you how to achieve this shadow look when doing a spiral Betty. It's pretty simple actually. Hi, welcome to Crafted Sweetly. I'm Diana, thanks for being here. For this project, if you wanted to do multiple colors, like I did the shadow look to this, I cut out the spiral Betty first in black and then also in yellow. And in Cricut Design Space, I just took the spiral Betty, duplicated it, and then changed the color just so you can see what it looks like on screen. But then of course just cut it out in different colors. But they're both identical in terms of size. Once you've decided what size you want the design, then just cut it out as in my previous video where I explained how to do this. For this one, I cut out the spiral Betty in black and then I cut it in pink. So what is it? We'll show you. Now for the spiral Betty, if you've seen my other video, I basically start where the end of the spiral is. So that's the point, the starting point for this. Now it's just starting the first one, the line is right there. And I hold it down just to get it going. So I'll hold this down just until the line starts going, and then it should be fairly smooth sailing for the rest of the pattern. So I added some tape so it doesn't keep shifting as I pull on this. This is the design in pink. I cut out the same size using the dark brown. Got the pink and the black. Same size, same design. Now what I'll do is I'm going to transfer this onto just acetate, just so you can see what it looks like on both sides. And if you wanted to, you can certainly do this for a t-shirt. Just use HTV. Same process would apply. So we just need to pick this up. Now I will pick up the pink one first. We're kind of working backwards, and I'll show you why in a second. Use the transfer tape. And when I place this down, I kind of make it like a taco to kind of lower it, and then it goes on smoothly. And then I'll just use my bone folder to make sure that this sticks to the transfer tape. I just took a piece of acetate that I cut down to size, and now we need to remove the backing. If it looks like it's not coming off, then you can, it helps if you roll it onto itself, but if it still looks like it's not releasing, you can always use a scraper to kind of push it down as you're pulling the backing off. But this one came off pretty easily. And now we'll just apply this to the acetate. Same thing, just use this to make sure that the vinyl sticks to the acetate, and then we'll just peel this back. This is now on acetate. So this is very much like the other ones that I've done in previous project. Now we need to pick this off, the backing. So same process here. I transferred the unicorn onto the transfer tape. Now it's a matter of aligning it. It's however you want, if you want the shadow to be higher, because this eventually will be the reverse. This is the back part of it. If you want the shadow to be up, then you would put this higher. If you want it lower, you would put it lower, obviously. You don't want to line them up exactly. So this is down now. So it looks like it's a pink shadow right now. If you want it, this would obviously work as well. But this is going on the same side as the other vinyl. and then this gets peeled off. So just carefully remove this to make sure that as you're pulling this away, you're not shifting any of the lines. This is removed. Now you could have this as a unicorn with a pink shadow, and then if you look on the reverse side, let me put a piece of white paper below it so you can see it. It's pink with the black shadow. That's how you create the shadow Spiral Betty. Both sides look cool. Depends on what look you want to have. If you want to have more of a, you know, glow in the dark, kind of like pink neon to the background, or if you want it pink and then have the shadow behind it. Same kind of here. Now on this one, it was, the bee is, you know, much more yellow. This is the vinyl side, and then if you look on the reverse side, then you see more of the black. So whichever you want to see more of, and you're not using the vinyl side, then that's the one that's gonna go down first. This is how you would create a Spiral Betty to have 2 layers on it and give it a shadow effect. Hope this gives you some inspiration for some fun projects. If you make anything, please join my Facebook group and post your project there. Would love to see what you create. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next project.